flowing. You probably noticed the gear was down on that pass. And on the MiG-17, you probably noticed it's got the afterburner effect on the engine. That was the red glow. Here we go, let's see what the B-2 is going to do this time. If you want to see some of these aircraft really close up, there's a tent more or less right behind me. We'll tell you about that in just a moment. With the B-2 coming into land right now as it touches down. Weston Park, please show your appreciation. Let's hear it.